So here's how you can enable third-party apps on the iPhone. Let's get started. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So it depends on what specifically you mean, like inside of the settings in the screen time section, part of the content and privacy restrictions. When you go to the iTunes and App Store, you can decide if installing third-party apps is allowed or not allowed. And that might be the case that's blocking installing more apps, right? Like if you don't have that option enabled, then you will not have the ability to install applications. That is the first thing. So you can go in here and make sure that you do allow it. However, it might also depend on your specific account type, because they are like the adult types of the Apple accounts, and they are like these for like younger people and children. And in that case, if you are under a guardian in terms of the Apple account, then there is a feature which is called Ask to Buy, and this essentially lets the guardian approve of downloads and third-party apps and purchases on the iPhone. And if that is the case, well, you cannot really get around it, because you can only set up a new Apple account, which is not going to be under the guardian anymore. So it depends on the situation, but I just wanted to point out that this could also be preventing the app downloading, because you might be required to send the request to your guardian to approve the purchase. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out too, because that might be something that not many people may not know, or I just wanted to show you how it works. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.